Tylli ya kajing penbenar. Myntri ka Tnad Pule-Puthi ka sarkar jela ubat lakman rumboi. Hane kasngi ulaong hapok king dorbar ba ki don lai penriutli ki skul LP ha ka jela ki baklem Nonghikai. Haba jubab ya ka jingkli belawan ra da MLA ka TMC na rang sakuna uzenet sangma ha kasngi basan jong ka dorbar senrai ubat rumboi ulaong ba ka daw ba ki te ki skul kim don Nonghikai kala bandai na mar ka jing syong that ka jing penken riak kam ni ka jing no kam jong ki Nonghikai. Utayu MLA hakawai kalyang ulabu jingkli halor kilat kilinti ki blashim ban pentik kena ba kajing puli jong ki kena hakini kisnong kan beteng katkum kajing sngo ka jong u kalong kajing khuslai na ka benta kalawe ki kena bat ki samla lada amsham khia ya kani kakam hakajubab jong u uba remboi ulaong ba haki babun na kisnong ki kena ki late school haki weipat ki school Myntri ula benrap ba hakinu kinu ki jaka badan kini ki school kila kenjo na kebenta kajing penrenti bantung ya ki Nonghikai kenang ba ki kena kinyo wan syaki skul.
There are as many as 36 government LP school where there is not even a single teacher. It's a question of the future of our children, the future of our youths. And if this foundation of the education of our children is not taken care of, we'll be landing up with by having lots of problem, and it will be overburden to all of us in future.
This teacherless school happened due to retirement or transfer or resignation of the incumbent teachers. We have approved for rationalization to post the teacher where so that the student could go to that schools.
Myntri rang ba ka jela